you going with that? We got a better version of that bass line somewhere. Yeah, way better, man. You know what? Right, so let's just put that rogue B line there. Yeah, that's the B line I want. I want to go for this B line here. Copy that. Roger, copy. Right, so because that rogue, that B line there, man, I ain't cutting it. Right, and that B line needs to sound better. Yeah, I want to feel it, man. Uh oh, watch out for that rogue B lines going on there. Hold on. Yeah. Ooh. Right, now all this. Okay, so this has got to cut there. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Hold on a minute. See, that's sounding better now. Like it don't need that. I actually like that without that. Yeah, like that. Let me try that. Cut that off there. Alternating, you know what I mean? There you go, there you go. Get rid of that there. Make that unique. Sheesh. Okay. All right, guys, so okay guys, just to let you know, I'm doing all of the samples in this project, including the arrangement file, the whole entire arrangement, bounce out stems, and also all of these individual samples and breaks as well that are now in a phrase format as well. So you've got your individual phrases and stuff like that. So the reason why I've done the phrases as well is so that you can just literally just press a key and put the beats at literally any tempo, and it will work straight into your projects. I've got the breaks used here. All of them are timed up, BPM to whatever BPM you want to do, and also the whole arrangement, so you can load it up, you can check it out. The pack's now available at samploids.com. Go there, grab it. I'll put a link in the description. Also, you'll be supporting the channel by grabbing the pack and mess about with the samples on there and get a feel for how this all works. Also, for those of you who are the patrons, the pack is now available to download on the Patreon, free of charge, obviously, because you're already a patron. So that's big up to you guys for showing the support, showing love, keeping the channel going. Yes, guys, big up. Right, now on this section here, I'm going to give it some shuffles on that, a little snare. Call me. Nice. Okay. That bass, lower bass, it didn't work for me. So let me just organize that, make that unique. Sub. So, bass. Sorry about that rustling noise in the background, guys. Someone's wrapping some presents on the studio floor. Okay peeps, this video is part of a multi-series. Look out for the next one. Please smash that like button if you want to see more quicker. Big up man, take care, God bless, peace.